Evening, everyone. Thank you for having me. I'm going to speak about one of the episodes regarding former President Dilma Rousseff from Brazil. In September 26th, 2015, President Dilma was holding a press conference at the United Nations about green energy and Brazil's capabilities to diversify its energy matrix. And she said the following sentence, and I quote, "So far, hydroelectric power is the cheapest in durability and maintenance, as well as the fact that water is free and can be stored. Wind could be the same. However, we haven't yet achieved the technology to store wind." Brazil made a joke of her for several years after this. The fact is, Dilma was right. Although she might have built her sentence in a slightly weird way, she had a point. What was Dilma trying to say? She was referring to an industry problem: green energy storing capacity. To power up a city, an energy company provides enough energy to meet the local demand. It is easy to do this and control energy production in hydroelectric plants because the water flow is constant. This is not the same with wind, since wind varies during the day, during the month, and according to the seasons. So this power supply is not controlled. In theory, this problem can be addressed by using batteries to store excess energy. In practice, this makes production hard, expensive, and with environmental impact. We have a problem with batteries. They are produced with lithium, cobalt, and nickel. They usually produce considerable amounts of toxic waste and contribute to deforestation and greenhouse gas emission. So to conclude, we have two options, two ways to transform wind energy in other types of energy in order to store it. The first is to use green hydrogen. The energy surplus would be used in an equipment called electrolyzer, an equipment used to separate the hydrogen from the oxygen from the water molecule. We then store hydrogen and use it for further energy applications. The second is to produce gravitational energy. The surplus energy would be used, and this is very visual, to use an electric engine to lift a huge block weighing 35 tons, and then later on we lower those blocks and they activate a generator. There is still a lot of research, but the fact is that Dilma was actually knew what she was saying. Thank you.